Hi guys! Today we're going to talk about your sun visor in your Tesla. Check it out. All right, so I'm actually going to show you on the passenger side just for space's sake. All right, so your sun visor is actually magnetic on the Tesla. So you do not have a clip, it just magnetizes right back in like that. If you pull it out, it does expand. And of course it does fold over your other window if you would like. Pushes back in, and then whenever you're done with it, it just clicks back into place with the magnet. All right, I am back on the driver's side, but I wanted to show you the mirror. It kind of folds down, and then the light turns on. This little cover is pretty cool, and it's magnetic too. You can have it half down like that, or you can have it fully down with the light. And then it just folds back up. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.